discounts on Loco Days Out at Lays.ca. CP24. Toronto's breaking news. CP24 weather.
We're doing my CP24's weather specialist.
Hi, Gurdeep. What a day to remember. We had some beautiful weather conditions. The sky was lovely, sunny and bright, and of course the temperature was on our side. You couldn't ask for a better Sunday, especially on a long weekend. Let's take a look at our regional temperatures now. As you can see there, we are pretty much across the board. In fact, we are sitting in the 20-degree mark. Some places even topping at 25 degrees. Not a bad place to be, especially when we're almost well into the evening hours now. Let's move on and take a look at what the Monday highlights are going to be.